Hi guys, so today I'm going to make some Turkish style kebabs. I'll put the full ingredients list in the description below. First, I'm just going to take one sweet red pepper and one small onion and just roughly chop them into big chunks. Okay, so have the onion chopped just into sort of big chunks like that, and the pepper as well, just to fit them into a food processor. So I'm just going to put these into this food processor all at once. Okay guys, so I've blitzed those together just for a minute or two. You don't want to blitz it too fine so that it's not a mush. You want to still be able to see those pieces of onion and pepper in your kebab. I'm using the Meatless Farm Co. mince. So you just want to cut this open and put it into a bowl. Okay, so now that we've got the mince in the bowl, we're just going to add in our onions and peppers. Now to this, I'm just going to add 2 heaped spoonfuls of paprika. Also added a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of garlic granules. Finally, just a teaspoon or so of chopped parsley. There we go. This is where you want to get your hands dirty and mix this all together until it's combined. Okay, so now that we have that all nicely mixed, I'm just going to start shaping them onto some skewers. Now, if you don't have skewers, all you have to do is, if you get a dish, like even like a glass Pyrex dish like this, just take the mince and spread it out flat into the dish and just put that into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, or just until it's gone a bit crispy on the top. Okay, so now I've got these shaped onto the skewers. These are ready to go. You can keep these in the fridge for 2-3 days, and you can use them on a barbecue. You can put them in. You could put them in the grill in the oven and just rotate them every couple of minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pan that has a little wee grill in the middle. I'm just going to let that heat on a sort of medium heat now, just to get it nice and hot, and come back in a few minutes. Okay, so now the grill's nice and hot, I'm just going to place my kebabs down here. Now you don't need any oil or anything. And you just want to leave them to sit for a couple of minutes. So just after every minute or so, I just turn the kebabs around. I don't know if you can see the nice colour on the side there. If your grill's too hot, just turn it down a little bit. Every minute or so, just check the side that's cooking and just keep rotating it one side after the other. Getting some nice colour now. Really like how the grill gives it some score marks along the top. And just keep checking, keep turning them around every minute or so. It shouldn't take any more than 10 to 15 minutes to finish. So after about 15 minutes, these guys are done. I'm just going to put them onto our plate here. There we go. And I would serve these usually with wraps and hummus and some chili sauce, and it's very delicious. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you again soon.